Oh, here we go. There's people that still have no power. It's going to take at least, power lines are down there. It's going to take at least, I say a month, maybe 2 weeks, for them to clear all the rubbish that from the tree branches and stuff like that. It's devastating. I've never seen so much damage in years. It seems like when we get hit hard. Flooding now, ice storms. I think this is like the third since I've been in Peterborough in the last 23 years. This tree is totally destroyed. There's almost, on every street, there's almost every kind of, every other house, there's tree branches that have been brought down. And when I was sitting on my couch with no power the other night, I could hear branches falling, cracking and falling. That's how dead it was. No noise, all you hear was branches falling. My area is really bad. So basically we are in a state of emergency. I think there was, like, as of yesterday, there was 60,000 people without power in Peterborough area and surrounding areas. We have crews working diligently on putting up new power lines and shipping wood and bringing down trees. It's really cold. It feels like minus 10 out. I was driving by here the other night, and I'll show you the tree in a minute. These trees, I could hear them breaking. That's how bad it was. And I was like the next street over where I heard them cracking. What a devastation. The crew have already come and cut down the useless branches in this property. The ones that have fallen, they still have to chip them. We're over on Goodfellow right now in Peterborough. Like I said, every street that I've been down today, there's been branches down. Maybe every other house. So now we're back in my neighborhood. It's cold. Really cold. Sorry, guys. Okay. I had to stop and back up because the sidewalk was totally obstructed when I came down here on Saturday. And we're due to get some more harsh weather again tonight. It won't last too long, but I'm hoping that the power doesn't get knocked out again. More branches. All down the street, there's limbs and bits of trees. I mean, it's bad. Okay, finally across the street and I'll show you the damage. Pine tree broken. I heard all of this on Saturday night. Everything breaking. Like I said, we're due for another bad storm, and this is going to take at least 2 to 3 weeks to get this all cleared up and dealt with by the city. They are picking up branches off the curb and chipping them, and the landfill currently is accepting brush and debris from the storm.